Hello viewers, today let's study the Pinyin chart of K, H, SH, R, Y and W. So first let's start with the Pinyin chart of R. So as we've already studied, R has a pronunciation of R. So first Pinyin is RE, has a pronunciation of R. Repeat after me, R. The next Pinyin is RI, has a pronunciation of R. Repeat after me, R and not re. The next Pinyin is RAO, has a pronunciation of Rao. Repeat after me, Rao. The next Pinyin is ROU, has a pronunciation of Ro. Repeat after me, Ro. The next Pinyin is RAN, has a pronunciation of Ran. Repeat after me, Ran. The next Pinyin is REN, has a pronunciation of run. Repeat after me, run. The next Pinyin is RANG, has a pronunciation of rang. Repeat after me, rang. The next Pinyin is RENG, has a pronunciation of rung. Repeat after me, rung. The next Pinyin is RONG, has a pronunciation of wrong. Repeat after me, wrong. The next Pinyin is RU, has a pronunciation of Ru. Repeat after me, Ru. The next Pinyin is RUA, has a pronunciation of Rua. Repeat after me, Rua. The next Pinyin is RUO, has a pronunciation of Ruo. Repeat after me, Ruo. The next Pinyin is RUI, has a pronunciation of Rui. Repeat after me, Rui. The next Pinyin is RUAN, has a pronunciation of Ruan. Repeat after me, Ruan. The next Pinyin is RUN, has a pronunciation of Run. Repeat after me, Run. Now let's study the Pinyin chart of Y. As we have already studied, Y has a pronunciation of year. So the first initial is YI, has a pronunciation of E. Repeat after me, E and not Ye. The next Pinyin is YIA, has a pronunciation of Ia. Repeat after me, Ia and not Ia. The next Pinyin is YA, has a pronunciation of Ya. Repeat after me, Ya. The next Pinyin is YAO, has a pronunciation of Yao. Repeat after me, Yao. The next Pinyin is YE, has a pronunciation of Yo. Repeat after me, Yo. The next Pinyin is YOU, has a pronunciation of Yo. Repeat after me, Yo. The next Pinyin is YAN, has a pronunciation of Yan. Repeat after me, Yan. The next Pinyin is YIN, has a pronunciation of In. Repeat after me, In and not Ying. The next Pinyin is YING, has a pronunciation of ink. Repeat after me, ing and not ying. The next Pinyin is YANG, has a pronunciation of yang. Repeat after me, yang. The next Pinyin is YONG, has a pronunciation of yong. Repeat after me, yong. The next Pinyin is YU, has a pronunciation of you. Repeat after me, you. The next Pinyin is YUE, has a pronunciation of UA. Repeat after me, UA. The next Pinyin is YUAN, has a pronunciation of Yuan. Repeat after me, Yuan. The next Pinyin is YUN, has a pronunciation of Yun. Repeat after me, Yun. Now let's study the Pinyin chart of W. As we have already studied, W has a pronunciation of V. So the first initial is WU, has a pronunciation of U. Repeat after me, U and not Wu. The next Pinyin is WA, has a pronunciation of Wa. Repeat after me, Wa. The next Pinyin is WO, has a pronunciation of Wo. Repeat after me, Wo. The next Pinyin is WAI, has a pronunciation of Y. Repeat after me, Y. The next Pinyin is WEI, has a pronunciation of Y. Repeat after me, Y. The next Pinyin is WAN. Has a pronunciation of Wan. Repeat after me, Wan. The next Pinyin is WEN. Has a pronunciation of One. Repeat after me, One. The next Pinyin is WANG. Has a pronunciation of Wang. Repeat after me, Wang. The next Pinyin is WENG. Has a pronunciation of Wang. Repeat after me, Wang. Now viewers, I would like you all to practice the pronunciation of K, H and SH by yourself, and the Pinyin chart is provided on the screen. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. Share.